Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. You can see that I have some mint sprigs in my hand, and summers are here and mint is everywhere. We use them for making tea, for some making coolers, for putting them in salads and making different types of chutneys and different condiments. So growing mint is fairly easy and you can comfortably grow it in your kitchen garden. If you have a balcony, that's amazing. But since I have an indoor garden, I would just like to show how I grow mint in my indoor garden. So you can see that I have taken a mint sprig and I am removing the bigger leaves. I'll remove most of the leaves and I'll just leave a couple of leaves on the top. As you can see that I have removed most of them and there are just 3 to 4 leaves remaining on the stem. Now on this sprig you can see that this is the nodal area. The nodal area from where the new roots are going to emerge. So I'm showing another twig which I'm cleaning and prepping for planting. So I'm going to repeat the same thing, that the bigger leaves, I'm just going to remove them. We are not going to leave a lot of leaves on the sprig because the stems are going to be investing a lot of energy in maintaining the health of the leaves and in growing. So we will only leave a couple of smaller and on just the top leaves, and the other leaves we are going to remove them. So you can see that I have cleaned and prepped a couple of stems. So this bunch is perfect for putting them into the water, where we will be first leaving them be for some time so that they can produce the roots in the water. So this is the node from where the roots are going to emerge. I'm really distracted by the noise that is coming from outside. I'm sorry for that. So I have just used a container, a mug, and I have filled it with some water, and I've kept the stems into a shaded area where the stems are going to receive some bright, indirect and soft light. You can see that after a couple of days the stems are doing well, they are healthy, they have produced new leaves, and as well as they have developed some very delicate thread like roots. I'll just give you a close up in a second. Here you can see that very tiny, very delicate white thread like roots have emerged from the nodal area, and now the cuttings are ready to be planted into the soil. What you can do when you get mint from the market, or if you have mint growing at home, so even just to maintain and to keep it healthy and fresh, you can put the mint leaves, the mint sprigs into a bowl or a glass full of water, so that they do not wilt and they look happy, they are fresher. But you can prepare a couple of cuttings and you can grow your own mint twigs, because that gives another kind of joy. So I'll just keep the potting mix hydrated, I'll gently water it, and I will place it into a semi-shaded area so that it can grow. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time.